Lesson 5. Using the green flag for synchronized actions in Scratch. Hello, and welcome to our Scratch tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to use the green flag to start multiple actions at the same time. The green flag is a powerful tool in Scratch, allowing you to synchronize actions across different sprites with a single click. The green flag is located at the top of your Scratch interface. When you click it, Scratch will trigger any scripts that start with the When Green Flag Clicked block. This allows us to set up multiple actions to happen simultaneously, creating dynamic scenes and interactions. To set up synchronized actions, start by dragging the When Green Flag Clicked block into the coding area for each sprite you want to control. Let's set up a scene where multiple characters perform actions at the same time. For example, we'll have one sprite moving across the screen while another sprite changes colors. With the green flag block in place, you can add other blocks to specify the actions each sprite should perform. Here, we'll use a Move 10 Steps block for one sprite and a Change Color Effect block for the other. Both actions will start at the same time when we click the green flag. To make these actions continue, we can wrap them in loops like repeat or forever blocks. This allows each sprite to keep moving or changing color until we stop the project. Using loops with the green flag block creates an animation that stays synchronized. And there you have it. By using the green flag, we've synchronized multiple actions across different sprites, creating an animated scene with just one click. This technique is essential for building interactive stories, games, and animations where timing is key. If you'd like to see your project featured on our social media channels, simply send it to support@01.education. We'd be thrilled to share it with our community. Plus, the project that garners the most likes will win an exciting prize. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For more resources, follow us on our social media platforms.